Oh, hey, hi, howdy, and good morning, guys. What's up, baby? As you guys can see, man, it is the Thrift God Paul Cantu back with a brand new episode of, I guess, garage sale grabs, except it is a Sunday, so I'm hitting a bunch of estate sales. Everything is 75% off, so I presume at a lot of these spots. Now I'm rocking kind of a crazier fit today because I got this hat in a estate sale yesterday for $4, these glasses for $2, and I was like, man, I wish I would have brought my camera. But yeah, so we're going into some houses, so it's time for me to get intimate in other people's property and make a banger video for y'all. Let's get it. These are some beautiful magnets right here. I think I need some of them.
No.
Oh wow, look at that carpet. This is like a Pink Panther right here. Skinned and lined on the floor. Oh, look at these jackets. Oh my God. Yes, this is a must cop. Oh, it's Coco. Look at this one, we got another one. Oh my God, is that Versace? Look at homegirl's head. Dude, this is beautiful. It's colorful. It actually is kind of Christmas light-esque on the design. Okay. Jacket collection is on fleek. Ooh, that thread count? Hold up. All right, this is sick. They got a record player right there. And then this nice little type tray that I definitely am getting to store some knickknacks in. And oh, the vintage Necchi? Whoa. That's Italian. You see this type tray? I'm getting it for the knickknacks. I'm actually kind of excited, man. The closets are stacked. This lady had the sauce and the juice all at the same time. That's like a whole meal of beverages. You have this full American flag colorway tracksuit and a beautiful acid washed denim jacket. That Bristol blues. Ooh, perfect. Dang, this room is crazy too. They have that beautiful hair weave. Might have to upgrade the aesthetics. Oh yeah, and I did chop off that mullet in its infancy. I know some of y'all will be happy, some of y'all sad. Either way, it happened. Oh, these are nice too. Nice! I feel like these are like mosquito entrapment mechanisms. We're in the little ladies' room right now, and I guess, you know, you could pull up, let out a little bit of excrement, and then eat some small bags of chips. It's kind of a nice design. I like the tile too. Conceptually flawless. All right, in the bedroom right now, this is a really cool cover. It's like floral. This is actually like straight up fire. This is nice too. And they have like the Gucci shoe rack, or whatever that rack might potentially be used for with the Gucci straps. Nice. Yo, this lady's Christmas sweater collection was untouchable. Like, look at this. You have all the bells and whistles. You got all the holly with the rubies. Jingle bells. More puff paint artistic creativeness on this sweater right here. Oh my gosh. But last and certainly not least, actually this one is pretty tough, I'm not gonna lie. You have the Mickey and Minnie all embroidered Disney Christmas. All right, man, sweet mother of mercy. Look what's in my arms, exiting the first estate sale of the day. I actually got some clothes. I wasn't quite expecting that. I'm like looking for stuff for the house slash to store plants in, but yeah, man, we got a handful of heats at the first spot. I spent a total of, I think, 16 or 14 bucks. Not too shabby for daddy. I guess we'll proceed to yet another one. Mama, we made it. We're at the next estate sale. Now this one I actually went to yesterday, and they had some beautiful plants there that I was plotting and scheming on. They wanted $45 for some plants, which I was like, man, you are tripping. Like, that's absurd. So I'm gonna see what the business is with them right now. Hey man, they about to drop some Jordans, man. This line is vicious right now. Uh-oh, we're mobbing in. This is all I'm here for, honestly. Ooh, take a gander at these little plates on the wall. So I guess this is the office. Hello. Ooh, look at those curtains and where the love making happens. Oh, what's up, sir? Dude, it is packed in this living room right now. Hey, but that person rich though. So crucial. Oh Lord. And all right, guys, so this is all I got, is this giant snake plant. it was $22, which is a good deal because like small renditions of these are like 15, and it comes with a stand and a giant pot. So perfect. This is all I wanted from there. So yeah, deal's done.
Woo, that's a speed bump. You saw me? I almost just, woo. And this shit's stupid, Pay.
75% off. They're here to get the suitcases too.
Damn. Should I park all the way down here?
Yeah.
All right, class. So we're approaching the last estate sale of the day. This is one that I hit up yesterday for this hat that's on my head. It is packed like Jesus. Like, look at this aisle of cars. It stretches as far as the eye can see. It actually is pretty ridiculous. There are a couple of suitcases I saw that I wanted. There are a bunch of terracotta pots that I wanted. They actually have an old Canon camera that goes from anywhere between like $50 to $150. That would be $30 today. I don't even know if I'm gonna grab it though, honestly. I predominantly just like selling, you know, the clothing. It's my expertise. But we'll see what's up in here and if I can grab any deals on this 75% off Sunday. All right, we're in here like swimwear. Let's get it. Oh man. So here's one of the old school suitcases I was talking about. Fire. There's a blue one. I guess it got scooped up yesterday. But this is a nice little decorative item, so I might get it. They wanted $86 originally. Tripping. So it's like $20 today. I mean, that's pretty absurd, like asking that high of a price. They also have like a bunch of stuffed animals. The person has a crazy camel collection, but then right here you have the creepiest monkey of all time, or at least one of them. It'd be like 10 bucks. I'm kind of tempted just because of how weird, innocent, cute, and haunting it looks. I'm the boss in this house, and I have my wife permission to say so. Oh, that's old school to say the least. That's so different. I guess when you run out of wallpaper, they have carpet on the walls, guys. Like, that is very rare. Like, who would have thought? Yeah, here's the lovely bathroom, everybody. Let's see if the scale works. What I'm pushing right now. It says I'm 175. Tripping. Oh, this house is absolutely delectable with the spiral staircase, too. I wonder how much you're selling this for. Oh, this living room is full of camels. Camel train? Wooden camels. Camel storage. Another camel. More camels? And more camels. Camel statues too. Other wooden camel. Camel teapots too. Gold camels? Camel riders. Yo, look at the brick phone too. Bro, this is premium technology right here. $4. Yeah, it'd be $1. That's so sick. Yo, they got this really cool old box in here too. It's like leather. It's missing the handle, but the designs are crazy on it. It got a nice old school mirror. I was surprised I'm not seeing ghosts in the reflection. But it's just very intricately designed. Dude, they even have more carpet walls. I love the carpet walls. I'm struggling with these hangers right now. Dude, be cool. How'd that happen? In the closet, there are a couple of sick Western shirts. As you guys can see, man, you can style these in really cool ways if you just have the sauce to do so. You have this one right here with all the bull riders. That actually is so fire. I don't know what the price on this guy is yet. Hey, can you turn this tag around for me for a second? $20. This would be $5. Oh, what are they doing? Why are they doing the most? And then look at these short shorts. Holy hell. I really want these. They're charging 28 bucks for the set. I don't really like dividing households. I'm not trying to be a home wrecker, but I don't really care about this towel textured upper. I don't know about all that. Oh, dude, look at this. A total babe, bruh. That's so bad. Dude, you know your estate sale's going well when we have sold stickers on rocks. Wow. All right, so I'm kind of here for this too. They have this giant pot. It's $32, so it's gonna be like $8. Then they got a few different other varieties. I might get that rectangular guy as well. And they have a pool, and shockingly, the pool has no camels in it. I'm somewhat disappointed in that. Dude, they also have, still in stock, the O.J. Simpson autograph footballs. Bro, I don't know why nobody wants these. Probably because he'd break into your house and steal them right back. Fire. So there's another piece we're gonna actually pick up for the home decor. So I think it's gonna be a little entrance table. There's an old sewing machine base on it, so that's cool. You know, you could get that foot ankle workout in, and then just make yourself a couple garments. Yeah, it's like 40 bucks, so why not? Let's grab it. Look how crazy this estate sale is going, man. It's dummy packed. All right, guys, so we left that last garage sale. I'm actually at my house right now, and the reason why I didn't record me walking down the street is because I was carrying the heaviest stuff with me out of there. So I guess without further ado, I'll show y'all everything we got and where I set it up in the house. But you know, man, that estate sale was a straight banger. And all right. Okay, guys, so we have the table set up right now. This is pretty much the only thing that has a destined place. It's just a nice little entry table, and then we did equip it with a few different plants just to look nice. Now there's gonna be more stuff added on here as we slowly accumulate items to decorate with. Now I am going to use this cool little type tray, I think, to hang right here, and then I actually have the blueprints of the house, which are probably gonna sit right above this table on some classy stuff. But yeah, I mean, it kind of goes with the vibe of the entrance we have set up thus far. I don't know if that will permanently be there. Oh yeah, and then the snake plant is right outside the entrance to the house, which I guess I'll show y'all now. And oh my God, that sound is very annoying. They are like jackhammering right down the street. But I mean, here's the snake plant. So right when you walk up to the house, you have some beautiful foliage happening. You also have an eagle just poking out to protect the house in case something were to go down. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. If you guys want any vintage clothes, my website is stocked and is overflowing with vintage gear. We have a bunch of crazy Western button-ups, which hopefully you guys can see from this little drip of swagoo that you guys can rock them in a variety of ways. So yeah, man, live the dream, eat that ice cream. Thanks for joining me today. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Peace out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.